This is the brief on the Hydro Monitor C6. All right, so if you're tired of environmental monitors that lock your important grow room data in the cloud, you'll want to hear this. We've been digging into the documentation for the Hydro Monitor C6. It's a compact, open-source temperature and humidity monitor built around the ESP32-C6 chip. And it's designed specifically for secure, local monitoring for things like hydroponics and indoor growing. First, the whole philosophy here is local control. You own your data. The C6 has Wi-Fi and a secure setup portal, but it runs entirely on your local network. That means no cloud, no accounts, and no subscriptions. And a key detail for setup, the default login is just admin for both the username and password. Second, the real magic is how easy it is to integrate. It has a super simple HTTP API. Once it's on your network, you can pull sensor data right from its IP address. This data comes out as either a structured JSON file or just raw numbers, which makes it perfect for plugging into automation systems like Home Assistant. Finally, what about setup and maintenance? Well, that's all handled by a simple two-button interface. For the initial setup, it automatically creates its own Wi-Fi network called ESP Hydroponic. If you need to get back into that setup mode, just press and hold both buttons for about 5 seconds. And a word of warning, holding them for 10 seconds does a full factory reset, wiping all your settings. The Hydro Monitor C6 gives you reliable, scriptable, and local climate control information, helping you track your grow room's microclimate without any need for the cloud.